no colour left in me. It's day 10? It's day 10 and we're going to Universal Studios this morning so we can ride the Velocicoaster and then we're going to go to the shops. Top.
Arsenal shorts, sponsored by Georgia. Trainers as usual.
Bag as usual.
Bag as usual.
Oh, and I've got this big scrunchie in my hair again because why not? Life's short. Oh, I'm tired. Want me bed. I was crying at young Sheldon last night. Oh my god. Devastated. It's the last Universal trip now. Well, yes, last Universal visit of this trip. But then I said I don't know if I'd come back here. Might do, but I'm more Disney. I'm not gonna lie. And it is very expensive to add on Universal on top of the Disney. Plus ticket prices are going up, so. The sun is not out right now. It's still so warm. One last time. That's like keep reading, Lauren.
Very excited.
Here we go. I definitely should have not slicked back my hair for this.
Indicate which locker is assigned to.
Don't even know why I bothered doing my hair, but Lauren, how would you rate that out of 10?
11.
11. Oh, it was so good. It was so good. Oh, wow.
I should jump on it again. Like,
Yeah, if it wasn't like an hour, I'd be on it again because that was so good. But yeah, we're gonna maybe check out one more ride and then get lunch and go because I'm starving. Oh, insane. When it goes right by the water, I don't know if it's gonna. I didn't realise. I felt like I was basically touching the water.
It reminds me of
So good.
Barcelona, Port Ventura, whatever it's called, Port Ventura.
Kung Fu Panda? I did style my hair this morning, but unfortunately,
I look like I've never seen a hairbrush in my life.
we both forgot our hairbrushes and we've been on 3 roller coasters. So now we're going to get some lunch and then go to the premium outlets. Yay, going to spend more money that I don't have. Decided to try beef and broccoli and chow mein, so hoping it's nice. I don't have the world's highest hopes, I'm not going to lie, but it's fine. We're saying goodbye to Universal now. So sad, but it's fine because I'm just going to come back. I'll just come back. It genuinely feels like no time has passed since I last came, bearing in mind it was 9 years ago. So I'm sure I can survive a year and a half, 2 years, it's fine. But yeah, it's warm. Bye Universal.
Do not show me on that thing.
So Laura's not letting me show her on camera right now because we're both not it. We literally both forgot hairbrushes, so we don't exactly look our best. It's currently 6:30 and we've been shopping. Damage was done. We're now going to get an Uber over to Hooters and get something to eat there because we're both obsessed with Adam Sandler films and he always goes to Hooters, like Blended and what else?
Big Daddy.
Big Daddy. Oh yeah, because she worked at Hooters, didn't she?
Yeah.
The girl, yeah. So we're going to get something to eat there and then go to bed probably because we'll just say it's
We
tired.
can go sit around the pool or something.
Pool? Yeah, something like that. Do something, but yeah, need to eat. So I will see you in Hooters in a little bit. We are now in Hooters. I've gone for fish and chips, shocker, and some extra onion rings, and Lauren's gone for wings.
Wings. Have to try the famous wings that everyone goes on about.
Yeah, so I'm just actually waiting for them to offer me a job. No, I would actually love to work here, like, it looks fun. I mean, it might not be, probably isn't, but, you know, I really want to get a t-shirt too, but I want to get a vest. We don't have any vests. so I might just go to a dodgy Disney gift shop and buy some there. But yeah, enjoying my Diet Coke, and I'm waiting for my food to come, and I can't wait. And Lauren's playing wings with nothing on them.
I'm waiting for my waffle fries.
That's weird even for me. So we finished our food and now we've come outside and we've ordered daiquiris, and they are so strong. Like, strong. There's a mariachi band thing there, and well, funny, I love it. And it's only like $9 for the cocktail, which I don't think it's bad at all.
No, it's good.
But yeah, gonna enjoy these and then probably just go back to the room.
We're gonna look
in a gift shop, or one of his a gift shop, but apart from that, yeah, it's pretty much it. Smells lovely too. Smile.
The food's been really nice here.
Yeah, I loved it, and they can't, places can't get fish and chips, right?
Come back before we go.
Really?
Yes. So we're in a liquor store right now and they're playing Just Another Day, which is my favourite Lady Gaga song, but it's quite a rogue song, like it's not a single. Strawberry Smirnoff. Ooh. Oh. Raspberry Smirnoff. I miss the cherry. I don't know what's in my ankle. I'm trying to set it up. So, weirdest end to the night tonight. We're walking home and some man dressed as like a tree or something jumps out. Okay, this lighting's disgusting. Jumps out at me. I shout. It was awful. Myself. And then we finally got back and the minions from next door are screaming again and it's awful. But we had 2 drinks, nice and chill, have come back and we have not really idea what we're doing tomorrow. I want to go to one of the hotels for some beignets. I'm just gonna maybe park hop, see what's not as busy on the My Disney Experience app. But yeah, that's it for today. Again, it's not much because we didn't really do anything. Rode a few roller coasters, which obviously bags have to be in the lockers for those. And then we went to the mall and we were shopping. So yeah, I did spend another £70 in Victoria's Secret, but that's not the point, okay? Have a lovely evening. I'm going to bed. Good night, God bless.